It's not city, but it's so beautiful. Oh, I think it's the bridge. It's not pala. Seems like I'm playing in here, but why not have people playing na ba? Have na?
Okay.
Oh, ganda. So beautiful. Now we go where naman?
Okay naman. Okay, finish. Time to go back.
Oh, the bridge of have light also. Look in the building. Bridge there. But maybe have so many people camping in there. You go where?
Go back.
You look in the light, babe. Wow, so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And the hotel. Ganda. Only drinking in there, no have same like barbecue like that.
Drinking barbecue naman.
Huh?
Drinking dahan barbecue naman. Ada biasa sama.
Oh, same like same like in Philippines, it's food trip.
我想象我特别爱吃辣，然后我觉得湖南吧。
But not have too much people, diba?
心特别的近。
Now not have too much. Another time have na. Ito yung bata. We have to look in this another hotel now.
Huh?
How to look in this another hotel?
Okay na ba?
This one, no? So, it's hotel also, diba? Oh, last time we ate in there? No.
No.
It's different? You look in the light. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Oh my God.
Hindi open mo.
Okay. Bumili daw siya ng tubig. Oh my God, it's so cold. It's so cold. So cold, so cold, so cold. But now what time we go to in the mountain? How been there, diba? I'm playing. Dito kami mag-stay.
Hello?
Dito kami mag-stay. Ang ganda din ng iba doon.
Get me one smoker.
Nandito na kami. Ganda ng ano, oh. Ganda ng ilaw. Ganda ng ilaw. Oh. May isa din doon ang galing. Daming hotel dito. Ang gaganda pa ng design nila. Why is so dark? Which one? That's outside naman. Bukas maganda yung view dito. Ganda ng baba. Ganda ng kulay. Hello. Pinaway no have light. No have too much people na? Huh? No have too much people staying here na? May sariling banyo. Ganda. You close the the window first. Ito may siya. Kainitan ng tubig. Tapos ano to? Parang smoke detector. Remote ng aircon. Inuman ng tea. Diba? Tissue. Toothbrush. With toothpaste. Tapos ito. Sabon ata ito. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Ito naman, shampoo ato, conditioner, basta itong dalawa na ito. Ang galing. Tapos ito may blower. Mayroong chinelas. Oh, I know na tomorrow I will take video again. May TV. Aircon. Ha?